Most of us perceive time as a linear process, a chain of events where the past is gone forever and the future is yet to be formed. However, fundamental physics suggests the opposite. From the perspective of general relativity, time is not a flow, but a frozen structure. This is the block universe concept. It proposes that every moment of history from the Big Bang to the moment of your death already exists within a four-dimensional continuum. We do not create reality. We simply move through it. But if everything is predetermined, does free will exist? Or is our sense of choice merely a biological mechanism masking a rigid mathematical determinism? Today, we will explore the conflict that has divided the scientific world into two camps. In 1905, Albert Einstein forever changed our understanding of reality. His equations demonstrated that time is relative. If two observers move at different speeds, their present does not coincide. From this follows a conclusion that is difficult to accept intuitively. If your tomorrow is already yesterday for someone else, then both of these moments must exist simultaneously. In this model, the universe is like a film strip. All frames are printed in advance. As viewers, we see only one frame per second, but the film itself is complete. Physicists call this Eternalism versus Presentism. For an eternalist, the future is as real and unchangeable as the past. However, Einstein's classical order collapses when we descend to the microscopic level. Here, indeterminism reigns of fundamental unpredictability. Let's consider two key pieces of evidence that the script of the universe is not finished. John Wheeler's delayed choice experiment. Scientists proved that a choice made by an observer in the present determines the behavior of a particle in the past. This literally means the present influences history. If the past can be written at a quantum level, the block universe is not static. Bell's theorem. Experiments confirmed that there are no hidden variables in the universe. This means the outcome of a quantum event is not preset. Nature doesn't just play dice. It makes a decision at the moment of the toss. These facts challenge the idea of total predetermination. If randomness lies at the foundation of the world, then the macroscopic future cannot be rigidly fixed. How do we reconcile these two extremes? One solution is offered by quantum biology. There is a hypothesis that our consciousness is not just a byproduct of brain chemistry, but an active participant that collapses the wave function of probabilities into one specific reality. We live at the intersection of rigid physical laws and absolute quantum freedom. Perhaps the block universe exists, but it is not alone. There is an infinite tree of probabilities, and every willful decision we make is a choice of the branch along which the flow of our experience will travel. Free will, in this case, is not the ability to break the laws of physics, but the ability to choose which physical law will manifest at this very moment. Science does not yet provide a final answer, but it gives us the right to choose. We are not merely passive witnesses to a cosmic process. In a world where time may be an illusion, our attention and our decisions become the only true currency. The future may already be written, but it is you who holds the tool that selects which page we read next. Stay with us on Did You Know?, where we continue to translate the language of the universe into the language of the human mind. Stay curious, for tomorrow might have already happened, but only you decide what it was.